So we just gonna get right into it. For breakfast, I had some cashew milk yogurt by Foragers. Topped it with extra almonds because I love almonds in my parfaits. I threw some fresh organic strawberries on there, a drizzle of agave, and then I also topped it with some chia seeds for some extra nutrients, full of fiber, omegas. It was delicious. I'm telling you, this is like one of my favorite breakfasts to enjoy. Chopped up hella vegetables. I got some eggplant, some bell pepper, some red onion, portobello mushroom, and yeah, I just coated it in avocado oil, sea salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, a little coconut aminos, whatever you prefer. Threw that in the oven to roast it. I also toasted some of this quinoa power greens bread. This is like the only bread I eat. It's gluten-free, yeast-free. And then I also got some vegan mayo that I mixed with some dill weed, onion powder, garlic powder, the regular. And I just mixed it all together to make like a little sauce for my sandwich. So here I'm just assembling everything. I promise you, if you try this, it tastes so good, like so good. Like I could literally taste it while I'm editing this. Like the bread, the sauce, the veggies, that little sweetness, the coconut aminos brings it. It's just perfect. And yeah, I paired it with my favorite chips. You could find these at Whole Foods. They're perfect for like little veggie sandwiches and stuff like that, because not all fattening like regular potato chips. Oh yeah, and I had some Uncle Matt's orange juice. So good. It's literally addicting. Not even joking. I did a reels. So I fried some cauliflower and I also made some tricolor quinoa. I fried the cauliflower in like a gluten-free batter. I tossed it in some agave, coconut aminos, and red chili pepper flakes. I put the fried cauliflower on a bed of tricolor quinoa with some green onion, and I topped it with some toasted sesame seeds. I'm telling you, it might look complicated, but it was so simple. The full recipe is in the description box. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and comment on this video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Follow my page on Instagram, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace and love.